Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Case Place channel. So today I'm going to be teaching you ways of how to style your box braids. Right now I have my box braids on, and I did this for about I think this is the 3rd week or 4th week, I'm not really sure. So I'm going to be teaching you guys or showing you how to style your box braids for outing, anywhere you're going to, even indoors, outdoors, anywhere. So keep watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and share with your friends.
وزاديكوس من
This your body where you give me, they make me one day do like a go na goom, like a go na goom. Sasha make you give me shit on, they make me one day do like a go na goom, like a go na goom. Make you no go do go need my baby, do go need my baby, do go need Make you no go do go need my baby, I do go need my baby, do go need I love you moto, pump on my honey, other way you the bungalow my body, marry me girl, this one no funny, It's a miracle, oh yeah, come test my money, I carry you, oh yeah, come meet my mommy, It be you where they ginger my body, Me I don't go surgery, sitting this with my body, in the boo so boo, I don't know my honey, sweet past body, I'm a day with my honey, you the thing go my body, you the thing go my This your body where you give me, they make me one day do like a go na goom, like a go na goom. Sasha make you give me shit on, they make me one day do like a go na goom, like a go na goom. Make you no go do go need my baby, do go need my baby, do go need Make you no go do go need my baby, I do go need my baby, do go need This your body na miracle, cha body na do the boo, this back a very visible, this your body na miracle, your body na miracle, no baby na miracle, I know my done day for you. This your body where you give me, they make me one day do like a go na goom, like a go na goom. Sasha make you give me shit on, they make me one day do like a go na goom, like a go na goom. Make you no go do go need my baby, do go need my baby, do go need Make you no go do go need my baby, I do go need my baby, do go need
Swaps. وزاديكوس من وزاديكوس من
Another banger, make a come.
So guys, this is the 6th and the final look. Hope you enjoyed. This is the 6th or 5th, anyone, I lost count. I hope you loved it. Hope you enjoyed my tutorial. Hope you're able to learn how to style your box braids 1 or 2 ways. So see you in my next video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye.